Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Afsister. I need to put this hair in a ponytail, so I wanted to do the intro before, just in case the ponytail messed up my hair, because the hair is not 100% dried yet and I have no patience. So I just wanted to go ahead and put it up, so I said let me do the intro before I do all of that. This is their 360 invisible strap wig, so I'm going to be showing you how I put it on today. And the lace is a Swiss lace, but it's definitely giving HD. Like, look how melted this is. And I actually sprayed down this wig because I want to keep it on for like 3 days. So I'm going to show you guys my spray install today. Today's not a glueless. It's sprayed down. Well, it's glueless because it's not glue, but it's spray. You guys know I haven't been using much spray recently. So yeah, today's my spray install. And you guys are going to see this. And I'm going to go ahead and do the ponytail that you're going to see at the end. If I'm so bored, if I'm so bored, if I'm so bored, if I'm so bored.
Why do I try? Why do I try just to say goodbye to your good side? Yeah, you lied to my face. I don't want anything from you. If you're out all day, I think we need a break. We need a break from each other. There's no one other, but I need some space. You need to go ahead and make a new way. There you go, crying on me all day. I really hate your toxic traits. Yeah, get away from me. Please get away from me. You ain't shit, no, you ain't shit. You mess around and slipped up. I can tell you're nervous out there. Don't you try and hide it. I won't be here to satisfy you, but I made sure I was the one that you required. Even though I knew you were a liar, trying to hide your desires. I'm done with all these lies. I'm so tired, I think I'm just wasting my time with you. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I think I'm lost for real. What am I supposed to do now? You brought my heart a million pieces, I don't know how to front. How you want me to react? You pushing me all around. Why do I try? Why do I try just to say goodbye to your good side? Yeah, you lied to my face. I don't want anything from you. If you're out all day, I think we need a break.
ponytail is actually pretty cute. I thought it wasn't gonna come out this cute, but it's actually really cute. This is the back of the hair. You can see it looks nice. You're not seeing any tracks. We love that. I hate when I have a 13x4 or some shit and then there's no lace in the back or anything, so I be having to do the most. I mean, don't get me wrong, I have videos showing you guys of me doing ponytails and stuff before with my regular wig, and yes, I could blend it and not show any tracks, but like it just be such a task. And if you don't like how long these are right here, you could always like clip it up, but I don't mind, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I don't even know if the ponytail turned out good, but if it turned out good, clearly I'm gonna add a clip of me talking with the ponytail. But this is how the hair looks. This is how the hairline is looking. Like I said, don't forget to check out AS Sister. I'll have the links down below if you're interested. This is their invisible strap wig. Super pretty, super full. No, it's not dried yet. It's probably dried when I'm doing the ponytail, but right now it's not dried. So thank you guys so much for checking out the channel. Hope I see you in my next video. Well, you see me in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye.